नहीं समझ आ रहा. आ गया क्या? Are we live on Facebook, Ravi?
Yeah. You see the.
Okay, lovely. Can we all go mute for a while? And then you can unmute when you have to talk.
Then can't hear you, huh?
Okay.
Yes, you were also mute.
Okay. Happy birthday, Ravi.
Oh, happy birthday.
Good morning to all of you. I hope lockdown is doing good to all of you. Welcome to Papa JC Show. Really good to have you all here. Can people go mute, please? So far, we have covered the following topics: video making, healthy habits for heart, cocktail making, tips on dancing, pros and cons of alcohol, Ghar ke nuskhe. Today, we will learn how to take good selfies. Tomorrow, we will be interacting with Dr. Vinay Mahendra, who is a urologist from Apollo Clinicals, and his topic is urinary tract infection, the mother of all infections. So please be prepared with your questions tomorrow. But unfortunately, due to his busy schedule, we had to change the timing to 12 noon instead of 11 a.m. I'm really sorry about that, but we have to accommodate doctors. Day after, we have an interesting session again on heart, but this time we will be talking directly, question answer sessions on different types of diseases of heart with Dr. Anjan Siotia. He is a cardiologist from B.M. Birla Hospital, and he is fun to interact with. On Monday, we have DJ Girish, who will teach us ways to pep up our lives with good music and awaken the DJ within us. So we have many more such topics coming up and lined up for you until you guys get bored. By the way, in case any of you want to host or be a speaker in any of the meetings, please let me know. I would really like to host you, provided you have something good to share with all of us and we take that home from you. Welcome on board. And we have today a very interesting topic. It is with Rajesh Gupta ji. Let me first introduce him to you. Rajesh Gupta is a lensocrat. He is also known as the lensocrat, an artist by default. He is a multidisciplinary award-winning celebrity photographer. Baap re baap. Badi hasti hai bhai. He's an extempore poet, a passionate cook, a theatre actor, and a filmmaker by profession. He believes that he can turn negatives into positives. Awesome, Rajesh bhai. It's such a great introduction. So glad to have you here. We all have one issue. Whenever we take selfies, we don't know which angle to show and how to look the best. In fact, we want to look the best and we want to hide our flaws and show it on the selfies. और हमारे पास फोटो लेने के लिए नॉर्मली बड़े बड़े कैमरास तो होते नहीं है. वी हैव नॉर्मल कैमरास फ्रॉम मोबाइल फोन्स जिससे हमको फोटो लेना है. और आपके अनुसार फोटो लेने का तरीका ही अलग होता है, जो मैं जब सुना तो मैं हैरान हो गया. आई थॉट दिस इज द बेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म टू ब्रिंग यू हियर एंड teach so many others how to take the best selfies. So the forum is yours, Rajesh bhai. Please take over.
Hi. Namaste. So that's the way we are greeting everyone right now, in the times of social distancing. So thanks, JC. Now I got a new name to you, JC, like Jiten Chawla, who used to be like Jiten Chawla and Papa JC. Good to have you here, buddy. I never thought you will lead this up to. When you sent a video on my birthday, I was so touched. What is this guy doing? And then I realized, there is a passion. And we all follow our passion. That's why we reach somewhere, So this is your passion, which has brought so many people together. I never thought that I'll be doing with, webinar or Zoom meeting with people I don't even know. So I've been doing, conducting webinar for other people, my photographer community, everyone. But this is the first time, where someone who is not doing it for professional purpose, So Tera, what is your take on this? Tu ghar kya leke jayega? So I think you are actually trying to give people information, memories, and experience. So thank you everyone for joining this day. I'm so happy all of you are here, and good to see you all. I don't know who else are there, but I can see a few faces here. And my whole challenge in life is to make everyone feel good. I want to share something like, why did I get into photography? I used to run a chain of sweet meat restaurant, but I used to follow my passion. Photography was my passion. And there was a time was like, I wanted to be a model at first. And there was no one to take good picture. So I used to go to any photographer, and I had met Mithun Chakravarti. So this was that time during 86. So I had met Mithun Chakravarti. He autographed and he gave me a photograph on a Kodak printed, matte printed. I said, wow. So when I looked at Mithunda and I looked at him, I said that photography has made so much of difference. When you see him real time and we see the picture, I said, wow. And that was shot on a film. So I took that picture to a photographer. So he says that if I take a picture like this, people will say in Bangla, "Tomar alo jole nahi." Aapka to flash hi dega, and then they won't pay me. I said, what? So that was one, light and photography, and it was shot in Mumbai. I told him that I want to get this picture done. And he took some pictures, and he says flop show. Like I was looking like, and it was very bad. Then I bought some books. That time there was no internet, no information. I bought some books and started learning how to take good portraits. So during noon time, I'll go to the studio and ask him to sit aside, pack some misti doi and dhokla for him, which he used to love, and give him that stuff. I said, now I'll set up the light and take the picture. So that's how whole passion and learning came in. So when I was in theater for, and like coincidentally, my guru, she passed away yesterday. So I'm into like very kind of like, this thing. Usha Ganguly was my professor in Bhawanipur, and she was the one who took me to Hindi drama. So while doing Hindi play for years, we have observed, like stalwarts of cinema, theater.
Can you be a little more louder because people are complaining of sound?
Okay. So let me see. Okay. So yeah. So looking at those stalwarts, like Tapo Sen, Minal Sen, Gautam Ghosh, they used to come and, sit with us in the auditorium, and they used to tell us, Eta bhalo hocche na, eta bhalo hocche. And that's how I learned my lighting technique. Sitting there, positioning, blocking, composition, that's how. So that was the time I started looking photographs in black and white. Everything was in black and white. So that's how my whole journey started to take beautiful picture, beautiful photographs. So now I'll take this, amazing opportunity to ask everyone here. I would just want to make it very interactive. I just don't want to tell, why we are doing what, I want it to be interactive. So can you answer, any 4 or 5 then, and we can tell, what is photography? We all know photography is taking pictures. Now with the digital era, with camera around us, we can take pictures every time. But what is photography? Do we know what is photography? It's very important to understand what is photography.
So this question is for the forum.
Yeah, I think it's digitalizing the memories.
The question is also for the forum. Can we have
Digitalizing the memories. This is Manoj, Rajesh.
Okay, Manoj. And anyone else?
It's an art.
It's an art, right?
Ravi, can we have a gallery view?
To preserve
Yeah.
the memory.
Okay, preserve the memory. Yes.
Ravi, can we have the gallery view, please?
Yeah, it's a gallery view already. You change your screen.
Okay. Can we have more answers?
Capture a moment.
I think there is freezing a particular moment.
To seize a particular moment, right? Yeah.
I would say to see the things in different ways.
Yeah, that's good. So to
Yeah.
see things differently.
Yeah, agree with him. This person, it speaks, speaks the feeling, different feelings, portrays some kind of feeling. It can be beautiful, sad, different moments.
I have a very good answer from Manisha ji. She says, photography is capturing what we see. Then we have one from Simi Hari. Is it my perception of a thing?
Okay.
We have another answer here. Photography is capturing what we see through different perspectives.
Right.
There are so many answers on the chat. You can have a look, Rajesh ji.
So we all have different perspective, and photography literally means photography. So it's like photo is light and graphy is writing. So you are actually, talking about art of writing with light.
Okay, art of writing with light.
Yeah,
Awesome.
that's my perception. And we, as a photographer, we do have a canvas. I used to tell, like when I write poetries, and when I'm happy, I write a song, and when I'm very happy, I take a picture.
Okay.
So that's how we express. So when some people can paint, and they can take their emotions out of their internal conscience, and then they can portray them into a painting. A lot of people take pictures to present a view. This is my point of view. So everyone take a picture in a different way to express themselves. And what is memory? What is memory for us? Can you tell me what is memory for us? Anyone from the forum or people who are listening, can you tell me what is memory?
Rewinding our good times or rewinding times.
What else?
Yes. Memory could be for me happiness saved forever. Or happiness saved forever or captured forever.
Okay. So memory, as per I see, memory is, like it is, if you dissect it, it's made of neurons and molecules, other stuffs, But memory for me exactly is experience. It is an experience where, I was talking to you, JC, about healing through photography.
Yes.
So right now we are all in lockdown. And what are we all thriving upon? A lot of people have gone back, taking their photographs out, college days, and that time maybe, I just found one of my library ID card, and we just get one black and white picture of mine. So that is experience. That one picture took me back to the library. From there, I connected to my library map. From there, I connected to the books I used to borrow from my library. Okay. So that is an instant trigger. When you see a picture, there's an instant trigger in your mind, and it takes you back to that experience. So right now, like whenever we are seeing a moment, we try to capture it. And we think, let's capture things. And that's how we preserve the memories. Now, there's good pictures and bad pictures. There are a lot of old pictures we don't want to see, and there are new pictures, new camera we want to see. So our subject today is how to take a good selfie, right? So what are the mistakes we do in the selfies? So the mistakes we make during selfie that we don't know from where the light is coming. We don't know particular angle, whether we are going down or we are taking up. That's how. So for that, we need to understand the light. As I said, it is writing with light. Photography is writing with light. So first thing, very first tip is that whenever you're taking a picture, you notice and, like where is the sunlight coming from? Where is the source of light? So if the source of light is from your left, turn towards left a bit and try to take that light on your face. So which is called face light. So in theater, whenever it's to play, so the director will say, take face light. So there are like 4 lights. The lightman, there one follow light for the main actor, but there are face lights. So you have to sift a bit. So then you do the same thing. When you see the sun is on your left, take a step there and try to take that selfie. What happens? What are the, when do we don't like our selfie? Don't put your phone too close to your face, because your face will look broader. Double chin, that is one of the problem. We face people who are a little bigger. They face a problem of double chin. कि यार मेरा double chin आता है. So to take a picture on double chin, just put your face like this. So if you go forward and bend down, your chin is safe there. The moment you do like this, so double chin is coming. So one of the best thing is to do whenever the picture is being taken or you're taking a selfie, do like this and down. So you can have that firm face without the double chin. That's one. Then there's reflections. A lot of people have, like Manoj is wearing a glass. So most of the time you see reflections. So you need to adjust your, glasses accordingly. कोई reflection आ रहा है, so you do in certain particular angle where the reflection is not there. So you have to try, okay, ठीक है, this is that. Then you take a picture. Now what? After you've taken the picture, the digitally, what we see, these camera pixels are growing bigger. Now we have 10 megapixels, 12 megapixels. That means they're capturing more details. And mobile phones has kind of replaced, hotshot cameras. Point and shoot cameras are not there anymore. So now after you have taken the picture, you need to spend some time if you want to make them look good. There are apps which take direct pictures, like Facetune app. You take a photograph and wahan pe aap adjust kar lo, and you take a picture, it gives you smoothness, it can do everything, it's like plastic surgery. But you don't want to have that picture. When you've taken a picture, there are apps like Snapseed. You can note it down. Snapseed is an app where you can actually, edit your pictures.
Could you please spell it out? SNAP?
SNAP, SEED.
Snapseed. Okay, Snapseed.
Snapseed is an app which we use as a professional photographer also. So I'll try to take you to a few pictures which I've got, and we'll do a case study. So these pictures have been taken by your cameras, not my cameras, because a lot of time, we don't know what our camera can do. But who takes the pictures? The camera? No. The camera is about 6-inch or 8-inch or 10-inch behind that camera. That is your mind, how you take the picture. So let me find out if I can connect my screen and show you the stuff.
In the meantime, there's a question: why do pictures have red eyes?
Okay, those things. I think nowadays we don't get red eyes now. Nowadays we don't get red eyes because red eyes used to happen with flash photography. Okay. So nowadays, nobody takes flash pictures in phone also, and those things have been eliminated. Red eye used to have because there's certain when the flash is happening, there's a reaction to the flashlight.
Reflection.
And then there's softwares we can correct your red eye also. I'm trying to connect to the screen share. Or let me do one thing.
In the meantime, while he's doing this connection, we can all have questions for him written down here so that we can ask him. Until he connects, let me remind you for tomorrow. Please join in tomorrow for a very interesting session with Dr. Vinay Mahendra. He's going to talk about urinary tract infection and take all your questions live. So do not miss that session tomorrow. And then on Sunday, we have Dr. Anjan Siotia talking about heart diseases. He's again a doctor, cardiologist from BM Birla. Monday, we have DJ Girish talking about music and how to awaken the DJ within you. So we have lined up with a lot of good sessions coming up. Do not miss them. Timing is slightly changed for tomorrow. That is at 12 o'clock instead of 11 a.m. because of busy schedule by doctor. And the same thing happens on Sunday. Sunday also, doctor is busy at 11, so he's coming at 12 noon. So do join in.
Okay, I'm trying to connect it through the phone, but I just wanted to show you the live edit session on my phone, but somehow the screen mirroring is not happening. So let me try to show it from my Mac. So I'll share the screen with this.
Actually, ये जो phone connecting वाला problem first day भी हुआ था हेमंत के साथ. So I think screen sharing is best on the laptop if you have it on the laptop. Or you can just show the phone. Let's do it like this.
It's working. It's working now. I think you can try. Rajesh, try now. काम हो रहा है.
अच्छा नहीं ठीक है मैं कर रहा हूँ एक बार.
Want I can show Snapsheet का मैं demo दे सकता हूँ, but it's your show, so I don't want to get it.
See the phone दिखा दो Rajesh. You can raise the phone and show it. That's all.
So this is the image I've got. Can you see?
Yeah, better.
This is the image I've got yesterday.
थोड़ा सा angle ऐसे कर लो. Yeah. थोड़ा और पीछे कर लीजिए. थोड़ा पीछे. Yeah, okay.
ठीक है. So
Actually, we all have issues. I remember whenever we get these group photographs, we never like our pictures. हम लोग सिर्फ अपनी फोटो देखना चाहते हैं, बाकी किसी की देखना ही नहीं चाहते. This is a normal practice.
No, I'm just trying if I can just show you the live thing because I did in the morning.
I'm just interacting with the people because they are here and they would be waiting.
Okay. So now we can start questions and I'll figure it out in the background if we can show you the images.
Can you just give us, the topic that we had was how to take selfie.
Yeah.
अगर अपने उस पे आ जाते हैं, where we talk about how do we use the light to our advantage, and then how do we use our background to our advantage, how do we use our face positioning to our advantage, like all that you were explaining to me. If you can just get down to them one by one.
Yeah.
First, we talk about light.
So first is the light. Like I told you earlier, also how to get the face light. So once you get the face light right and position yourself, make sure the background is clutter-free if you are going to take a portrait. Yeah. So sometimes something jutting out from your head, it looks very difficult to focus on the picture.
Okay.
So when we see a photograph is made of like space. So in a camera, there's a rectangular space and we fill in the image with images. So there is a negative space and positive space.
Okay.
So negative space is the space which is around me.
Okay.
So right now I can see you and there's a sofa set behind you and there's a white backdrop.
Yes.
So you are wearing a red bandana
Yes.
and your headdress is also red. So it's kind of merging. Okay.
Yes.
So after a while, the red is becoming, merged with the backdrop.
Okay.
So supposingly, if that red backdrop was not there, we could have seen your face clearly.
Okay.
So, in the similar way, try to avoid when you're taking selfie with portraits. That's one thing. But there's sometimes you want, that background to be visible. Say you are in an exotic place and you're taking a selfie on a holiday. So you want your backdrop to be visible.
Yes.
Then what you do? So there is in photography, follow rule of third. So we divide the entire photograph into 3 parts. And they're like on the 3 parts, there's a focal points. So you keep yourself on the 1/3 of the screen. If you see on your phone, when you take a picture, there's a grid. If you enable that, there's a grid which comes on the camera also and the camera phone also. So you keep yourself on the intersection of those lines.
So that focus wala jo aata hai, grid ban ke aata hai. You have to
Right,
yourself
right.
in-
So they're like ऐसे 2 line gया and 2 line ऐसे गया.
Yes, yes.
So you keep your face on the cross sections of those lines. So supposing right now, I'm trying to show you what is behind me. Right now, I'm sitting in the center. Okay. If I sit here and I said, look at this. So I'm just, shifting myself on this line. So the focus comes on me and I can also see the surroundings, the backdrop. So that is one way of taking a picture on a holiday or a selfie where you also want to include a backdrop.
Okay. But suppose when we are taking just selfies for our I'm sorry, question going back. Portrait जब निकालते हैं अपने लोग किसी का portrait लगाने के लिए, we would like to have our own picture only. There, like you said, light is first important. Light सामने से आनी चाहिए. उसके बाद हम लोग का background में clutter नहीं होना चाहिए. So you mean to say वो contrasting, like जैसे मेरा भी merge कर गया, तो it should be contrasting colors ताकि वो merge ना करे.
So it's easy, na? So you just shift a bit. You avoid that backdrop.
Okay, I get it.
Shift a bit. You see that white backdrop is helping your portrait. So what is happening when a camera, all the phones are on auto mode. So when they are focusing, how does the camera focus? On a contrast ratio. How much light is coming in, and accordingly, the camera decides to do the exposure, right? So when you take the proper light, the camera is not struggling to get the focus. Okay, so by automatically the camera supplies you the exact exposure and light for taking that picture. So once you have that, initial things right, you can later on edit.
Okay. मतलब एक चीज हमने और नोटिस किया है, normally आजकल जो photographs आते हैं, can we go mute please? Actually there is disturbance. Can others please go mute?
And Jiten, also one thing, we have a lot of questions on the chat box. If you can please have these addressed by Rajesh one by one.
Yeah. The questions I'll read out. In fact, let's get to the questions then.
Yeah, please. A lot of them are there and very interesting ones.
Wants to ask a question, please ask. Miss Pooja
Rajesh, Rajesh. Hi, how are you, Rajesh?
I'm good.
Yeah, Rajesh, I just want to ask, when we want to click pictures of the sky, generally with the phone, so we are not getting the real thing, what we are seeing in the front. It's coming something different. The colors are lost. So what to do when you're doing with the phone?
Okay, so you want to take the pictures of the sky. So what happens, most of the time, if you are taking against the sun, so if you're taking against the sun, the camera takes the exposure of the sun, bright light, and it, gives you a higher exposure. So, most of the time, the shadows in the pictures are lost. So most of the time when you want to take a picture of the cloud, you have to move away from the sunlight. The camera should not be facing the sun directly.
Okay.
B, a lot of time the cloud has different layers of light. So what you can do, you can do a HDR mode picture. iPhone or all the phones now have HDR mode. So if you activate HDR mode, the camera decides it. What does the camera do? The camera takes three pictures of the image. So for the sky, the camera will expose 3 times, which in professional camera and professional photography, we call it bracketing. So what we do a lower exposure, a darker picture, a brighter picture, and there's a mid exposure. In a phone, our phone has this capacity to do it in a HDR mode. So what is HDR? It's high dynamic range. It takes 3 pictures and decides its the exact exposure to make that picture look good. So that's how you can do. Like iPhone now also have a night mode. So if you activate night mode, so the exposure is open for longer time. So it will say 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and then you hold the camera form to take that picture. So that's how you can, eliminate this issue with the taking pictures of the sky.
Okay. And also sometimes, Rajesh, when the objects are very far away, but it's not a day or something, it's not facing the sun, but we are not able to capture the picture which are far away, just because we are restricted to that zoom thing, like the zooming of.
Yeah, so those are the limitation, and during those times you have to call Rajesh for shoot. Okay, so those are the limitations with the phone cameras.
We have a question from Arun Agarwal ji. Please ask directly. Please ask directly if you're there online. Want you to, Rajesh would love to interact with you one-on-one.
Yeah, that will be the best part of it. Yeah.
Arun Agarwal ji, please come online.
Hi Rajesh.
Hi,
I
Arun.
see you so many times, and I really love your photos.
Oh, thank you.
Yesterday we had this rain and thunderstorm, and then a very beautiful sun came out. Lots of people would talk good photographs of the sun and the rainbow. So I found that the sky has got almost like melted gold. But when I photographed, it was all big blob of yellow. So one of my big questions is, when I'm trying to photograph sun or the very distant sky, what is the best way to take that photo?
Okay, so these are the limitations for the phone as of now. I think we'll have technologies which can in future which will be able to solve this issue. As I said earlier, when these all are on a auto mode, all our phones we are taking pictures in auto mode. So it is camera who's deciding, and the camera doesn't know sometimes what is the distance, what is the light atmosphere. It decides on the contrast ratio. Okay, so there are apps which gives you manual override. We can actually operate our phone as a camera, where you can reduce the exposure, you can reduce the shutter speed, you can choose a film type like Kodak, Ekta, whatever you want to do that. So those are the apps, and then you need to do courses. There's online courses available to take those beautiful pictures. We sometimes get those moments. Like yesterday, like there was a rainbow and all. So what will happen? That was a golden hour. So when you're taking a picture, so that there's a reflection on the building, and maybe that building is very bright. So the camera first senses that building, that light. It reads that light, and then accordingly it is exposure हो जाता है. तो आपने जब देखा, आपकी नजरों में कुछ और दिख रहा है, but camera is seeing through what is programmed to see. That's how, होता है कि it's monotony. The camera is programmed to see that way. So then you could have used it HDR mode. So he can take 3 pictures and give you a picture, but that would not be, what you're seeing.
Okay.
Okay, next we have so many people lined up here. Did you get your answer, Sagar Behra ji? Did you get the answer for the sky wala question you had? If not, please come online.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Answer.
We have a question from
Now, Papa, see, I can see your complete face.
yeah.
Everyone agrees that he's a smart guy. He went and changed it.
No, I did it. Okay, we have Archana Santhalia. She has a question. Please ask directly.
Hi,
She's
Archana.
one of the
Hi.
regular participants.
Hi Rajesh.
Hi, Archana. Hi.
I have a OnePlus 60 phone, and whenever I click a picture, I see this ISO.
Okay.
Now, what is ISO exactly? And one problem which I face with my phone is that vertical and horizontal alignment. Like if I take a picture horizontally, the full picture screen में fit नहीं होता है, वो टेढ़ा हो जाता है. वो कैसे ठीक करें उसको?
Okay. So right now, the way you are positioned your phone right now, you are doing it with phone right now?
No, I am with my laptop.
Laptop पे. Okay. So right now, आप देखो आपका angle ऐसा है. You know, so if you do like this and this, so you know your face will look better in that situation. And right now, exactly, I'll tell you, there's a backlight. Behind you, there's a window.
The sunlight.
So that sunlight is coming there. So your laptop is reading that light and making it blur. Everyone can see that there's a blur.
Yes.
Okay. So that's how a camera is planned to do that right now. So Archana, ISO is it comes from analog days. So ISO is the rating of the films. It has come from the film when earlier days that used to be speed of the film, ISO 100, ISO 400, ISO 800. So those were the settings. So the more you, in layman's term, say supposingly in the night and the day, okay. So if you are in the daytime, your ISO will be 100 on the basic, okay. And if you're in the evening, the ISO will be 1500 or 1600. Or you're doing a night photography, it will go up. That's how all the cameras, professional cameras we get, they say ISO 250,000. That means you can have that much of light into the camera, in the sensor, and you can take pictures in the pitch dark night also. So when you get your camera ISO, then you can actually increase the ISO. Say supposingly, आप एक bar में गए हो, you are in a bar with friends and you want to take a picture, and the light is dim, low light है. What you used to do? आप एक काम करो, आप दो friends को बोलो कि अपना flash चला ले, phone का flash चला ले, okay? And they can hold it like that, flash it. The flash comes in, and then you take a picture with another camera. So there's a flashlight on your face and you can take picture. If that flash is not available, you try to turn towards a bar or wherever you are, there's some face light on it. Now you go on ISO, if it is saying 400, you increase it to 800. Okay. So that means it will allow
more light
to get into your sensor, camera sensor, and then you can take a picture. Okay, there's one warning. With high ISO, there's a noise. So that is one thing that if you're going on a high ISO, there'll be noise in picture, which you see like pixel dikhta hai. So that you can correct it in post-production in apps where you can actually go and clean your image. That's one thing. And your second question was that
alignment.
So alignment kya hai na, ki when you're taking a picture, so there is those grids are there. If you see there with 3 grids, so there is always a distortion. Even when we buy a lens which is worth like say 5 lakhs or 4 lakhs or 3 lakhs, there's a distortion that comes by default. Because we are making lenses with glasses and they're like multiple layer of lens, and that's how the image is formed. So there's always a distortion. In phone cameras also, there's a distortion in the end. There'll be a little bit of, this thing. But in your camera, you might need to do a setup where it is saying 1920 into 1080, full frame. So when you're taking a picture, so they give you option 4:3, 16:9. So you make sure that your camera photograph, the camera setup is 16:9. So if it is 16:9, it will go edge to edge. When you do a phone in a landscape mode, it will go edge to edge. Like in Instagram, it's 1:1. So it is square.
Yes.
Okay. I hope your question is answered now.
Thank you so much,
I got
Rajesh.
your portrait also, so I was wanting to work it. I'll give it to you. So whenever you're taking portrait, I used to take a portrait, putting your camera down. Okay. So don't do that. So take it like this, either this, or this. So when you're going down, so what you see, your nose in the focus, and the whole distortion is there. So your face will look broader in those situations. The moment you do up, the anatomy changes. Yeah. So you can chin up or chin down like this and take it like this straight level. Okay. Another thing, when we're taking selfie, a lot of us, we don't know where to look in the camera because we are looking at ourselves in the camera, right?
Correct.
When we're taking picture, we are looking at us, our face, but the camera is not there. The camera is a little above. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So that's a trick. So you have to go up and see the camera. So most of the time, हम तो अपने को देख के खुश होते हैं, wow, but the camera is upstairs. ये थोड़ा सा 6 inch ऊपर है. So if you look at the camera, then there's an eye contact. So in our photography, we try to have that catch light. The catch light is like, it's in the eyeball pupil, there's a light when you take a picture in studio. But have you seen a lot of pictures, close-up pictures of eyes, eye people ke andar mein, they're showing sky and all. So earlier when there was no internet and, there was no books as per se, like they were very rare books. So we used to zoom into the eyeball and of a photograph to see the lights. In your eyeball and in the pupil, you can reflect ki light kidhar se aayi hai. Whether it's from 45 degree or so you're like top angle or with this low angle, that's how you can make out the reflection in your eyeball, in your pupil. So when you look at this and there's an eye contact with your camera, people can connect with, when the person is looking into the picture, he connects with you.
Yes. Perfect. Okay, we had in between, you could not connect your mobile phone with this sharing. Don't worry. What we will do, we have an option. We have a WhatsApp group where most of these members are there. Those who are not there, they will also join. So we will take you into that group. So you can yourself share it there on that platform.
Okay.
It will be easier. So that will be easier. So don't worry about that. We'll make it happen that way. We had a question from Darshita Trivedi. We missed out on that. Darshita, would you like to ask or you have the answer? Darshita Trivedi, are you there?
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi,
Can you hear me?
Hi.
Hi, Rajesh. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, I had a question. Like when we are at some functions like stage programs and all, and or we are at a disc. So light is it's very bright light, but when we take pictures, they all come out very dark.
Okay.
So what settings should our phone be in that area?
Yeah, exactly. So this is what I was trying to say in the previous question also. So we have to understand the light. Once we get the light ka funda right, half of the job is done. So maybe you are in a disc or in a disco, so what is happening? There's a light, but what happens when you're taking picture, the light behind you is too bright.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe the artist is performing at the bar near somewhere on the stage and it is too bright. So what happens? Your camera senses that light first.
Okay.
And it gives an exposure according to that. So what you do, you can just, move your camera a bit and move it down so that the backlight, which is very bright, if it is very bright, it is hidden. Okay. So you guard that light through your body. You understand? Because the moment you take your camera hand down, so like you're taking this and then you put it down. So that backlight is hidden and then there's a backlight on your hair maybe, if you're a group of 3 or 4. And now you point and press on your face on the camera.
Okay.
So that means you're telling camera to focus and give exposure on your face.
Okay.
Okay. So if you try doing that, the next moment you see that there's exchange in exposure. Your face will start looking brighter. because now you have told the camera, okay, this is the lighting situation and I want my face to be measured. So the camera automatically takes the measurements of that light area and gives you a different exposure. You try doing that in sunlight, and then you see you press on the sky and you press on your face. The camera will automatically change. So that is one thing you can do while taking selfies in a dimly lit disc or a situation, right? Then what you can do, you can just turn around. Okay. You can turn around, say stages. Most of the time what happens, we take a selfie, piche mein Shahrukh Khan is performing, right? We want to take a selfie. Okay. Shahrukh is not looking, hey, Shahrukh, dekhna yaar, dekhna. Come on, yeah, Shahrukh is just performing. And then there's a lot of bright and there's no light on you. You ask of your friend, ki yaar, put your flash on. You ask your friend ki flash on the moment and ask your friend to give that light on your face. So then the camera kind of adjusts. Okay, there is light. Yahan bhi light hai, wahan bhi light. The camera is bhookha of light. Usko jahan khana dikhe, wo bhag jayega lockdown ki tarah. Ki wo, wahan light hai, wahan bhag jao. So the moment you give a little bit of light on your face and your friend is helping with a flash, the camera suddenly, oh, there is a bit of light here. Then your camera will try to adjust it and read in between that. So it will take a mean exposure value of the backlight and the front light and give you a decent picture. And then when you take that decent picture, you can always come and use one of these apps to correct it. So the Snapseed app I told you is a beautiful app where you can actually, okay, this is the picture. So now this picture, if you ask me, what has happened here? So there's a backdrop, which is backlit. If you see there's a backdrop, there's an artifact, maybe koi decoration piece hai or whatever, I can't make out.
Rajesh, we were able to see your picture, which you showed now, but now, again, we are able to see you now, not the picture which you were showing.
No, this was not my visual. This was somebody else was showing.
Oh, somebody else visual.
Okay. Let me see.
In the meantime, we take you through a quick recap of what we learned today. First of all, when you are taking a picture, try to look into the camera, not yourself. Second, try to make sure light falls on your face. Third, to take the best selfie, raise your, normally I see everybody does that only. Sab selfie nikalte hain, upar karke apna haath nikalte hain. Nothing to share there. Fourth, that we have to make sure when there is light behind you, make sure that you use an extra light in front of you so that your picture is visible and the camera, as they say, is intelligent enough to look for light. Through light, it locates you. Okay, we have another question which we missed out on, is Pooja. Pooja ji, you wanted to ask a question. Are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Please.
Hi.
Yeah, Rajesh, I want to ask, when we are trying to record a video, so sometimes it is, like when we try to share that video, so it's not going in a complete one go or a one span. So I have to cut it and send it. So
that is the limitation by iPhone. Okay. So iPhone has restricted 64 MB when you're doing it WhatsApp.
No, but sometimes the video is going 13 seconds. Sometimes it's going 2 minutes. So I don't know what setting is automatically happening that it's catching that way that, because otherwise if you are getting a share from other people, we are getting videos of 10 minutes also.
No. So which phone are you using?
iPhone.
Okay. So iPhone there is a video recording setup. You can take 4K video from iPhone. You can take 2K and you can take normal 1080p video. So first you look into your setup, what setup you have done, whether it's 4K, 2K or 1980. So 1980 is the normal one, which doesn't consume much space. But iPhone by default, it does not allow you to send a more than 64 MB file. You can airdrop it or you can share it through the mail or through cloud. But once you're trying to WhatsApp, the WhatsApp limit is 64 MB. But on your desktop, if you're using a desktop, there you can drag it and drop it on your desktop, WhatsApp desktop. If you're using through a Mac or your laptop, there you can drag in that file and that will go. But if you're doing it through the phone, iPhone clips it. So then only way is that you clip it till say 3 minute ka video hai, till 2 minutes, and then you send the other one. Or you just upload it on the cloud and share the link.
Okay, Rajesh, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now we have any more questions coming in? I think we have more or less. Shashi Modi ji ka question reh gaya hai.
Hello.
Yeah.
Huh?
Rajesh ji come.
Hello. My voice is coming.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Yeah. हाँ, what is the best video app? अभी इस समय बहुत सारा वीडियो एप्स है, तो उसमें जो हम एडिट करते हैं, तो उसका बेस्ट वीडियो एप्स क्या क्या है मतलब? तो can you suggest?
Which phone you're using?
OnePlus 7T.
Okay, so I'm not very familiar with that phone, but there are a lot of apps. There are a lot of apps like if you go on the App Store, Game Store, you can just easily find there are a lot of apps. But if you're using iPhone, I can tell you, you can do iMovie, which is a built-in app, which gives.
No, not iPhone. OnePlus 7T.
Okay, okay. For that, app they are supplying for that, but there are a lot of app. There are a lot of video apps which we are doing. There's Filmic Pro which you use, but I can find you one and give you the answer to the forum about that. So,
is someone sharing? Who's sharing the screen? Whose screen is this? Rajesh, are you doing it?
can you see one photo there right now?
Yes, yes, I can see your screen basically.
Okay, so I'm just trying to share the we have got right now. Okay, can you see this picture right now?
Yes, yes, that is our famous Ajay Arya.
Okay, this is what we got yesterday, and then I tried like this was a nice image, but he's not looking into the camera, right? He's not looking into the camera, and then I kind of edited it, and let me find out the edited one. So now you see this.
Jawan bana diya isko, Ajay. Ajay, are you there?
So now it's the same pictures taken by him only. Okay, and you can see.
Good, good. Looks nice now. Can we see the other ones?
Yeah. Then there was. This is one I got, which I edited.
Yeah. That's Kavita Maheshwari.
Okay.
This is Kavita.
So I also did a
Just okay.
the sepia version of her. So what I did, I kind of blurred out the distracting backdrop here. So there were a lot of trees and those green was actually distracting. So I tried to, blur them out and give this focus on the face as a portrait. Now this is again one of yours one. It was very dark, low light picture. To kind of brighten it up and give us a look. So these are the pictures. So what is the next question? Yeah, tell me.
Okay, what are the next questions coming up? Please share.
Can you just highlight something on candid photography?
Okay, candid photography. What do you want to know about candid photography?
How should we go about it?
But you want to take us.
Is it possible through iPhones?
Yeah. Why not? Why not? Why not? The candid is what? Candid is about the moment you want to capture, right? Candid is a moment when you have taken that picture without that person not knowing it.
Yeah.
And that time is a moment of, it's a fleeting moment. It is that decisive moment, where the other person is not aware of the moment and you have taken that picture. So an iPhone is a very good equipment to do that, because most of the time people are not aware whether you're taking a picture or not. So if you're using an iPhone, the candid pictures look very good in black and white. It's my preference. always try to take black and white pictures. So if you're doing candid pictures, when you go in iPhone, you have a setup of doing it black and white. You go there and make it black and white noir.
Okay.
It gives you a feel of old era picture with grains and all. And then you're trying this picture. So I think it's a great way to capture through iPhone because the person is not even aware whether you're taking picture or not. Okay, so you can do. I can show you one a candid moment which I did with Gulzar Saab.
Yeah, please.
So in Bombay, so when I entered his studio, he says, "यार तुम मेरी तस्वीर लोगे कितना लोगे? You know, दो चार लोगे चले जाओगे और मैं तो technician हूँ." So then I went there and I placed 2-3 cameras at different locations in his house only, without disturbing him. I said, "I just want to stay here, and I would not disturb." So I started taking those candid pictures while he was working. I didn't even tell him ki ye jagah khali kar dijiye, aisa kar dijiye, whatever. And we took candid moments. There are a lot of candid pictures which I've taken, and through a very normal camera. They're not very hi-fi camera. They were taken 10 years back, 7 years back, but they make good pictures. I'll try to show you that in a sec.
Until you show, मतलब एक मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा क्वेश्चन रहता है because you are a portrait king. I've seen you take pictures. In fact, you've taken a lot of pictures of mine in weddings also. How do you diffuse the light behind? जैसे आप when you're focusing on the person, your pictures are best because they come as diffused background. वो कैसे आप उसको हटाते हो?
Well, then it comes with a lens, Okay. So, जैसे I was telling you, कि choose a backdrop which is clutter-free.
Okay.
Choose a backdrop which is clutter-free and there's no distraction. Why do we like black and white pictures? The famous quote. They said when you're taking color, you are photographing objects. And when you're taking color, black and white, you are photographing soul of the image. So what happens, a lot of time we see black and white pictures and wow, black and white is my favorite. And we love it. That's because, there's no distraction of colors. Our eyes are programmed to see a lot of colors. And when we are seeing colors like primary colors, why do advertisement guys use red, green, yellow, those colors, bright colors? So RGB, those are the primary colors which attracts. McDonald's has red, Pepsi has blue. They attract you. So the moment there are a lot of colors in a picture, we get distraction. A lot of time we love the colors, but if they're in harmony, it's very difficult to bring harmony of colors in a picture. A lot of time we see things as it kitna messy banaya hai yaar, like how messy it does look. But if there's a harmony in the color, we like it. Like the nature, if you observe nature, how there's a harmony in the nature, like you see blue sky and then you see flowers, then there's green. So a good landscape is a picture of rule of third, like 70% is the sky and 1/3, is the landscape. That's how you see the picture, wow, that's a beautiful landscape. So accordingly, like when you're taking a portrait, you have to decide how much the frame should capture. And the background, the blur you ask, that comes with the lens. We use those
lenses.
Sharp lenses and then 1.2, 1.4 focal length, which gives you blurry backdrop, which now iPhone is also giving you. So that is a digital blur, digital bokeh, which they create beside of the backdrop. So if you are using an iPhone, you go to portrait mode and you place your camera, you can take a nice portrait with iPhone also. Very nice and blurred backdrop.
Okay, Ajay ji, you have a question. Ajay ji, you raised your hand.
Yeah, thanks Rajesh for making me look at least 10 years younger than JC. I just wanted to ask you, like sometimes, we use the flash on the phone and it takes about 2 to 3 seconds for the second flash to come up. And that's when the picture is taken.
On a phone?
Yeah.
So on a phone also, which phone you're using?
It's again OnePlus 6.
Okay, so there is on phone also like the flash, there is a slow shutter options also in some phones. So when you reduce the shutter speed, slow, the flash will come later. It will sync later. But if you have a instant flash, when you go on a
But it's usually on auto mode, so we don't know how to do that.
yeah, so if it is in auto mode, and what exactly the problem is happening, you say?
Because sometimes what happens is I've taken a picture, the first flash comes up immediately, but the second flash comes after 2-3 seconds. By then, maybe I don't get to know whether the picture is taken or not.
Okay, then you are shooting in a burst mode, I believe, right?
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, so don't shoot in burst mode, because that is the time your phone is taking time to recharge your flash. So it's taking power from your battery and doing the flash. So don't take it in burst mode. If it's in burst mode and flash, that may be possible. Because I don't use that phone, so I'm not very aware of that. Exactly.
Okay.
वैसे भी अजय, I'll give you a simple answer. Chinese phones में आजकल वायरस चल रहे हैं, इसलिए थोड़ा हो सकता है.
ये भाई साहब Indian, made in India. Chalo, thank you so much, Rajesh.
We have a very interesting question. Shreya Gupta ji, are you there? Shreya Gupta ji, are you there? Okay. Okay, we have some interesting questions. In the meantime, I'm reading out. Rajesh,
We are able to see the mobile. Yeah.
हर किसी को प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि उनको अपना शक्ल अच्छा नहीं लगता है,
अच्छा,
चाहे दूसरों को आपकी शक्ल अच्छी लगती हो. So how to make yourself look better than how you are is an interesting challenge here.
So you say कि real time में दिखना है, photo में दिखना है?
फोटो में दिखना, real time में तो कहाँ से होगा?
So you know what? So whenever I'm shooting portraits or pictures, and especially when there are like a lot of females around, they say, अरे यार मुझे मोटा नहीं दिखना चाहिए, मेरा double chin नहीं आना चाहिए, मेरा ये दिखना नहीं चाहिए. So I give them a package.
Okay.
So it's like weight reduction package on Photoshop.
That was a good one.
So we give them a package, say by double chin ka 5,000 rupees, and then uska 2,000 per kilo and all. Yeah. So these are the packages I give to them, and that's how the Photoshop works. But frankly speaking, what you can do, jokes apart, is like, say, supposing you're standing in a picture, right? So when you stand straight, you know, you look a little bulky. So if you just turn around a bit and, you know, do this, so the camera.
Actually, I can't see you. You are showing the screen, so we can't see you actually turning around.
Your mobile screen is coming now.
That's better now.
So supposing you are doing a picture like this, so your face may look broad, and you may just turn around like this and half when you're standing with a person, you know, then you can see, you know, the half of the face is always scarred. So the light and shadow effect makes you look slimmer in those pictures. Okay, so painting with light, a lot of time, like we use light techniques in studio to make people look slimmer or beautiful. So sometimes we purposely, you know, don't lit up the full face. Okay, so that's how, you know, the makeup artist, you know, हमारे फिल्मों में और उसमें एक टेक्निक होता है makeup artist के साथ, right, नीचे तक केटे दे वो, you know, सर नीचे का काटना पड़ेगा. तो हम इसको लेके आते हैं when we shoot with models. I said, yeah, अरे थोड़ा ऊपर से काट. So the normal people won't understand कि क्या काटने बोल रहा है. So you know what does the makeup artist do? They give you a darker shade. Okay. So supposedly they want to show you the bone, jaw, you know. So what way they give you darker tone to niche mein or thoda upar mein, and then this is like highlighted. So that's we also use with light. So if you light it up like this and there's a less light here, and then you cut it with a black, you know, board and all, so you can make the person look, you know, slimmer in that way. For the phones I mentioned you earlier, you know, do this. Don't bring the phone too close to yourself. Keep it a little away, you know, and then look into the camera of the phone, not into the screen of the phone. Okay, make that eye contact. And then, you know, pout is the, like, you know, which everyone does, but sometimes we make it funny. So don't do that. And just maybe sometimes your eyes become smaller. Just close your eyes for a bit, count 1, 2, 3, and open it big and look at yourself. That's how you can take nice pictures on those. And I think, yeah, this is what. Otherwise, yeah, light and the background. Background is like which decides how the picture looks. So if you can have if you want to, in iPhone, you take a portrait mode and your background is blurred, the focus goes on your face and your details and this thing. And then you can do a bit of post-production, like which is required. Like our camera sees what our eyes can't see, right? A lot of time, like when it's like, seeing a person through a lens. When you use a long zoom lens, we can see pores, so which human eye can't see. Like we have cameras of night vision, jo raat mein dekh sakte hain, but we can't see. The camera sees beyond it. So sometimes we need those softwares to, blur those which normal human can't see. So that's how you work on the softwares, and there's the several software where you can actually blur it and, make it look smoother.
Lovely, lovely. Excellent answer. In fact, there's one question from Kavita. How can we avoid closing of eyes and squinting in photos? Now, closing eyes, तो उन्होंने बताया, आप खींचने के पहले आंख बंद करके फिर से आओ. और squinting in photos का क्या मतलब हुआ? Kavita, would you like to talk? Kavita, would you like to talk? I think she is okay. Anyone else? Any more questions? You can directly ask, because chat में लिख के read करने से better आप directly बोले. Anybody there?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yeah.
अर्चना बोल रही हूँ.
Hi, Shanai.
Hi. Now मेरा एक बहुत क्वेश्चन था जो मैं अपने आप को भी बहुत बार पूछती हूँ, because मेरे को भी फोटोग्राफ्स करने का बहुत शौक है. Now amongst your works, तुमने अभी तक जितने भी काम किए हैं, which one is your favorite and why? And how do you educate yourself to take better pictures every time? I think learning is non-stop.
Yeah, true. So, like till now, one of my favorite work is Gulzar Saab. So I did a profitable book with him, and that's not yet fully published. I've made, certain copies of it. But that was the moment when I realized, I learned so much while working with him. So I was telling you, the photography is like more like experience.
Yes.
So, whenever I see those pictures, I go back into that time. That's what photography does. You take a picture and keep it for 20 years and instantly triggers your memory and you can go back.
Yeah, it refreshes.
Yeah. So that's all, because I learned so much in those pictures while I'm working. So that's the experience is one of the best. There's another experience when I went to Japan.
Okay.
So my whole journey was from Tokyo to Kyoto. So that was my first trip to Japan, and then super fast, terrains, and seeing those people, how the Japanese are, and then from the fastest train and going back to Kyoto, where everything is slow, everything is slow. You slow down. So that was my own learning. Look, when I went up to the Koyasan, so there Koyasan me, I was in a temple which is completely vegetarian. So from there, when I was there in Tokyo, they sampled me sake, which I've never tasted. They gave me different kind of food, but the whole experience. So what I think, for any work, experience is what matter. I was a big fan of a singer. I don't want to name him. I used to love his song. Every time I had 3-4 collection lists. But the day I met him, after that I stopped listening to him. Because somehow, his entire perception of life, his point of view, I did not connect. I could not connect how he was behaving with other people. So that's how. So it is about experience. So Gulzar Saab is one of my best work because I could connect to that person, how he's, streamline himself, how he's not greedy about work, how he's not greedy about money, how, and itne अच्छे से, हर चीज में वो नाजुकता जो है, that touched me. Then Japan, I told you that whole journey. I can show you one of the Gulzar Saab. Let me see, if I can just share it to screen.
In the meantime, any more questions, please? Because we had requested him for 30 minutes time and it's already been almost 1.5 hours.
I just have one question, if he is
Please,
able
please.
to.
Please
Yeah,
ask.
yeah. राजेश जी, आपकी इंटरैक्टिव सेशन से आज ये तो पता है कि आज शाम और कल तक तो मैं अपने हस्बैंड को बोलती रहूंगी कि अपना फ्लैश ऑन करो ताकि 1-2 अच्छी सेल्फीज आई कैन प्रैक्टिस ऑन.
Excellent.
But I always hear a lot of friends saying, you know, my left profile is better than my right profile. तो एक साइड, दोनों साइड एक ही जैसे होती है. So how could a left profile be better than a left profile or a right better than a left? Is this a myth or actually ऐसे होता है?
Wait, can I see her on the screen? I can't see.
Because
No.
आपने screen share कर रखा है. आपने screen share कर रखा है.
I haven't put on my video.
One second.
There's some problem with my video, so I haven't put it on.
Can you repeat the question?
My question is that is it a myth when people say that their left profile is better than their right? शक्ल तो इंसान की लेफ्ट एंड राइट दोनों एक जैसी होगी, तो व्हाई डू सम पीपल से कि लेफ्ट ज्यादा अच्छा आता है और राइट अच्छा नहीं आता है?
That's a very interesting question you asked. I never thought somebody will ask this because Papa JC told me कि यार basic कर यार, ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगा, ठीक है? So right now, you know, like whenever someone asks me, like, you know, like Abhi Archana has asked me which is your favorite project, I said Gulzar Saab. This is like Gulzar Saab. If I said Sunny Leone, I've shot Sunny Leone also in a program. I've shot Mithun Chakravarti, I've shot Shahrukh Khan also in a program, Neeta Ambani, and all the people I have shot them at some point of time. But I have also shot Susmita Sen. So supposing I said Susmita Sen is my favorite shot. So what I have done to that picture, nothing. She is already beautiful. She's already photogenic. I just happen to be there, right? But to capture someone with the aura, you know, which people have not seen, that's my work. That's my portrait photography. That's my passion to do. That's how I got into learning people, when I meet those legends and I found how simple they are, right? Now, coming back to your question is, we call this, that girl is very photogenic. And many times what happens, you know, you met a film actress, oh wow, ये तो बहुत ही simple दिखती है, फिल्मों में तो बहुत अच्छी दिखती है. You know, we might have come across like these kind of comments. So this has to do with the face and the ratio of the face, the symmetrical face and asymmetry of the face. So there is something called, you know, if you might have heard of that photogenic, Miss Photogenic Award.
Right.
The Miss Photogenic Award goes to someone, and there's someone called Miss Universe. What does that mean? What does that mean? There's a Miss Universe and there's a Miss Photogenic. Not also Miss Photogenic. Photogenic is like, you know, when you divide your face in the center, from the center. So as we know, like most of the time, like, you know, our right organ and left organ, they have some difference.
Okay.
So maybe my right eye could be like a little bigger than left eye, or left eye could be my half, this nose could be developed in a different way. That's how it is, you know, connected to the brain. So we all have that kind of a face. And then if you take a picture and divide it from the center, and if you measure it, you'll see that there's a difference.
Okay.
You know, right eye is smaller than the left eye, or if you do the nostrils, like this side is a little bigger. So that is what, you know, so when you do yourself left and right, there is a, like whenever we are shooting any celebrity, so we don't experiment. We just tell them like, you know, which is your best side. And they say, oh, my right side is good. So then we focus on the right side. There are a lot of celebrity we come say, okay, don't shoot me from the left, you know.
Okay.
So one girl, you know, so her mom called me up for about 10 years back, that she wanted to do a matrimonial photography done for a daughter. I said, she's so beautiful, but kahin pe bhi photo jati hai, it gets rejected. The very first thing. So she used to model, she was a good looking girl, but you know, somehow photo jati hai and reject ho jati hai. To baat hi aage nahi badhti, there is no further talk.
Mm-hmm.
So he says, what do we do? I said, you know, send me pictures which have been rejected. taken by some other photographers and all. So they've gone around to all of the people, different places and all. So when I saw the picture, I said, okay, I'll shoot it and let's see what happens. Okay, so I went to that client of mine. I met that girl. She's extremely beautiful, good-looking, slim, trim girl, and very fair, very good-looking. But she had a nose, which is in our photography we call it parrot nose.
Okay.
So if you see that nose from the front, you can't make out. But if you see from the right side, it looks like a parrot. You might have come across with a lot of friends and people. When you see from a particular angle, the nose looks a little different. So what we did not Photoshop, we did not do anything. I figured out that I don't need to shoot her from this angle. That's it. So while shooting that, we made her comfortable. Again, like when I go to shoot, I don't, make it a shoot like, me, my wife, Poonam, we go there, we go with some food, we go with our music and we, chill, we chill around and we mix up with the family. And then we try to, have a good time, chai vai kiya, and then we try to have a good time. So unless you have a good time, you cannot create good memories, right?
Right.
If you're sulking, if your daughter is sulking, and we have come across, where like, the parent had called me, "Arey, unki photo leni hai, but ladki doesn't want to get photographed." Because right now in 21st century, like nobody wants to send their pictures. Like, come on, yeah, we are not going to send pictures for selections. We don't want to get rejected, and it's a very sentimental issue. And even I don't want to do that. But then I make sure that the picture I'm taking represents the person who she is or who he is. So we photographed this girl, and while photographing, we used to ask, "Acha, theek hai, bolo tumko kahan jana hai? Kahan jana hai tumko kahan jana hai? Bolo, acha, theek hai. So we were on the terrace of this girl. I said, "Acha, tum jara ud ke dikhao." She had a huge, beautiful tattoo on her back and all. And I said, like, ud ke, "Acha, chalo, London jao, chalo, Paris jao." And then we made fun. And then she was so happy. And she says, "Yeah, Paris is my favorite destination." I said, "Chalo, Paris for the honeymoon and all." We took this picture. 7 months later, we got this call that you won't believe, the girl found a match in London. And we, we shot her wedding also, and lovely wedding. So as you answer, like, what is the, ratio or difference? Yes, there is a difference, which not everyone sees. So you, as a photography, that is one first thing we try to analyze a face, from which angle shall we take the pictures and which angles to avoid. So in your face also, when you are with a photographer and artist, they'll be able to tell you, certain angles you look good. There's a lot of people who call me, "Arey, tu photo leta to achhi aati hai, yaar, meri to achhi nahi aati hai." Because then, kind of our eyes is trained to see that way.
Right.
That's how you see it, and then you tend to take a best picture.
Very
Thank
well
you
said.
so much. You've given me a lot of homework to do today. Thank you so much.
Rajesh, you should add this trait in your quality that you're a very good talker.
Oh.
ये नहीं बोलूंगा, the way you talk, the way you express is excellent. Now, can we have one last question?
Jiten, not only a talker, he is not just a photographer, but I mean to say, अभी इसने अपने एक experience के लिए बोला था, जैसे he used to like some singer, but after meeting the singer, he stopped hearing the music, his singing. So, I mean, he follows his mind, he puts his feelings first,
In fact, now let's have this session because we have already crossed 1.5 hours on this.
I know, but lovely.
Amit Kejriwal ji, if you've not got your answer, you can still make a short question. Amit Kejriwal ji, I saw your hand up.
Yeah. Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Hi,
Hello,
how are
sir.
you?
Hello, sir. I'm
Rajesh ji.
Renu.
Hi, Renu. Hi, Amit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi.
Want to hear a poem from you?
You want to hear a poem from me? So,
मैंने कई बार सुना है आपकी पोएम.
Can we put others on mute, please? Can we put others on mute? You seem to be a very popular person. Bhai, I have to add you in the WhatsApp group for a while. Stay as long as you want to.
Yeah, he is a popular person.
Rajesh, I'm adding you in the WhatsApp group. Please be there and answer their question one to one.
Okay,
Can we do the rest?
I'll just read a small one. So
We can't hear you, Rajesh. You are not audible. Okay.
can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Everybody have to mute, mute please.
Let me mute the others. Please. Let me mute the others. Wait. Mute all karta. Rajesh, you please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
Just let me mute all the participants, and now you unmute you. Let me. Yeah. Okay. Fine. You're on.
Fine. Okay. So I'm reading a very short one. Maybe it's a very different kind of a one. Like it is like about relationship. It is about coming forward. Pehle aap. A lot of our relationship and our friendship goes stale, because nobody's taken any initiative to correct it. Nobody has taken any step to finish the dialogue. This is one of the thing, which I want to say. Ki, दो कदम पे उसका घर, दो कदम पे उसका घर, दरमिया बरसों का फासला रहा. दो कदम पे उसका घर, दरमिया बरसों का फासला रहा. न हमने लांघने की हिम्मत की, न हमने लांघने की हिम्मत की, न उसने पुकारने की जरूरत. न हमने लांघने की हिम्मत की, न उसने पुकारने की जरूरत. पुल जलता रहा, पुल जलता रहा, नदी बहती रही.
Excellent.
This is the we make bridges, we make pull. What is a pull? मैं pull को बहुत तरीके से देखता हूँ. The pull is like bridging, from one person to other person. And नीचे से नदी बहती है तभी पुल बनाते हैं हम ना. तो नदी अपने तरफ बहती रहती है और पुल जलता रहता है. Like we burn ourselves to death. और नदी भी बहती रहती है. No one tries to cross that bridge and go and say hello to the other person on the side. Maybe गलतियां हो जाती हैं, but we should always try and meet at center point. अगर दो कदम वो बढ़ाते हैं, दो कदम मैं बढ़ाता हूं, we can meet in the center of the bridge and make a beautiful picture.
Excellent. Very well said, Rajesh. Photography छोड़ दो, किताबें लिखना शुरू कर दो.
Writing books. No, yeah. अमित जी कुछ बोल रहे थे, अमित केजरीवाल.
अमित जी बोल रहे थे कुछ.
Yeah, Rajesh ji, hi. How are you?
Hi.
It's a great investment of time from last 45 minutes.
I'm sure.
We are talking about all the human faces, and we are into furniture trade, and we are selling furniture. So we have like suggestion from you for the product photography or photo shoot. Do we have a photograph with the photo products only, or with the model or celebrity? Which one is better?
There are two aspects to it. Like when you are selling a product, sometimes you are just selling a product on Amazon.
Right.
Sides का picture हो गया, ऊपर नीचे right length. You are selling a product. What I believe that I have done a lot of product photography for furniture people and all, and
Great.
create a story. If you can bring some emotions along with your product, that will give a like what I call a visual to the person.
Correct. That's what.
And and you create a small story with that sofa with a small kid.
Yeah, small clip. Yeah.
Like if you're showing a baby ka bed, so just bed is just like that. But if you add a tiny
Few emotions with
that brings
and video
it.
clipping also require.
Then you can okay. So what happens? Say you are selling an office chair, and you are putting a nice, good-looking model on that, and then you put some books around it and all. So what happens? You are selling a visual, a dream to your buyers. Okay, if you have this kind of an office and this is your sofa or this is your chair, should be that. You're giving a complete picture.
Correct.
That's how, like, most of the time people are going to the stylist what to wear. You can go to a market, buy a lot of jewelry, buy a lot of sarees, but then you don't know how to put it together. So if your company gives an image if you are able to portray, okay, this is the product and this is what you can do with it. We are just not selling product.
Rajesh, we have to sign off because of other webinars. Can I
Yes,
have
thank you.
details so that they can connect
Thanks
with
a
you
lot.
later? Can you share a number or something? That you
Yeah,
Okay, so
that will be helpful.
I'll try to show a few portion of Gulzar Saab for few people who wanted to see candid pictures and all. And let me just play it for a moment and then we can sign it off. Okay.
And in the meantime, you want to share your number so that they
You
can
show
connect.
number, yeah. Right.
Yeah, so number is 9831002369. 9831002369. It's 2nd March 1969.
And he will be there joining us in the
Thank
WhatsApp
you.
group for a few days, so you can ask him there also.
Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, let me try and share the screen. Okay.
कुछ साए, कुछ परछाइयां, कुछ चाहत के सजदे, कुछ बहते बादलों पे रखी उम्मीदें बरसती रहीं, तरसती रहीं। चांद आसमान में जड़े सुराख की तरह झांकता रहा और रात किसी अंधे कुएं की तरह मुंह खोले हाँफती रही। रास्ते पांव तले से निकलते रहे, न रुके, न थमे, न रोका, न पूछा जिंदगी किस तलाश में है। जिंदगी थकने लगी है और ये जिंदगी का जुड़वां उसकी उंगली पकड़े शहर की नंगी सड़कों पर अभी तक कुछ बीन रहा है, कुछ ढूंढ रहा है।
अकेला इस शहर में रात में और दोपहर में आबोदाना ढूंढता है, आशियाना ढूंढता है। अकेला इस शहर में रात में और दोपहर में आबोदाना ढूंढता है, आशियाना ढूंढता है।
This is the height of candid pictures. Height of candid pictures. Excellent.
Too good, too good.
Good. मजा आ गया।
Thank you everyone for joining this. I'm looking forward to more of this session. I love it.
I will take you to the platform. I'll take you to the platform. You're going to join there. Thank you, guys. We have to sign off now. We have to sign off.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
We have to sign off, guys.
Thank you.
We hope to see you tomorrow again.
Amazing
Dr.
session.
Vinay Mahindra is coming. Please join in. Instead of 11 o'clock, we are starting at 12 noon tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.